Morning everyone, welcome to this session number 383, and today I will continue with this problem. It's a problem shift distance between two strings. um, One moment, I want to share this transmission in Twitter. Okay, nice. The idea behind this problem is that you have two words. In this case, the word s and the string s and the string t, and you need to transform the string s to string t. Yeah, and in this case, we have the an array, integer array, with the cause of the move to the next letter. Yeah, in this case, for example, the letter C move to the D, for example, is A, B, C. The cause to move to the next is 0. Yeah, and we have the same but in the positive direction, in this case the previous. What is the cause to move since C to from C to A, for example? Well, it's move first the C, this, do this, and now this, do this. In this case is 100. Yeah, and this is the idea, and we need to return the minimum total cost of the operation required to transform s into t. Yeah, okay, now okay, nice. Okay, let me try to remember. Okay, yeah. Yesterday I had this idea that contemplate where, for example, you are in the letter C and you need to reach the letter B. Obviously, you can come back one letter, but this is using the direction prep coast. But what happens if you want to move to the next coast and reach the zero and start again in letter A? In this case, for example, I decide to create this array with the double of size of the English alphabet. In this case, the English alphabet have a 26 letter. Multiplied by 2 is 52. And basically, with this, discover what is the minimum cost for every letter. But in this case, for the rotation prep cost, yesterday I had my doubt, because in this case it's in the positive order, means that the zero is in the positive order. Yeah, in this case, left rotation is 25. We are saying in the position 25 plus equal prep, that in this case is 0, plus prep cost in the position this. Yeah, and continue until this. And now, for example, here is 100 to reach this. And it's done. Now in this moment, I think that we can or we are sure that we have the, for example, for A, B, C, D. Do you mind that this is the complete here? I think that is much better. Okay, we have, for example, A, B, C, D, and do you imagine that the D is the final letter? Okay, and for the next cost is that 2, 1, 4, 3, and for the previous coast is 3101. Yeah, this case this is the direction. And now for the first, well, is prefixum. The prefixum of this, the A, B, C, and D is 2, 3, 2, 3, 7, and 10. Yeah, and for this A, B, C, and D, we are starting with the final, that is 3. The next that is 7. The next that is 8, and the last is 10. Yeah, no, sorry, no, it's the blue, it's this. Okay, now here is 1, 1, 2, 5. Okay. Now when we reach this, in this case it's more easy because it's A, B, C, D again, and is the current plus this. 10 plus 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13, plus 4 is 17, and plus 3 is 20. And for this, see, the array, in this case A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, I starting here, I have 1, 1, 2, 5, and means that I need to start again here. Or here. For example, if I start here, is 5, 6, 6, 7, 10. Okay, for example, if I am in B and I want to discover what is the coast to reach the C in this direction, is 2. Now the A come back to the D. Now the D come back to the no. Is this with these numbers? Is B go to A and the coast is 1. Now A go to D. And the coast is sorry B to A. Now here is 3. Now here the coast to move D to C is 1. And the cost to move the C to B, it's equal 0. Yeah, in this case is 1 is 5. Now for example here I want to reach the letter B. No, the B sorry, the B is reach the letter, no, B to C. This move in this direction, said that it's only 1, but no. A, B, C, D, and doing the prefix in this direction is 3, 4, 4, 5. If I want to move this to this, the cost is 4, but no. Hmm. Hmm. Because in this case the cost to move to the previous is 1, now is 3, plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5, is 5, and in this case is 2, 3, 4, 14, in this case I am trying to discover in this case works where is in this direction, but with this I think that maybe changing A, B, C. What happens if I sort a positive? First D, C, B, A, and I start here. That is 1, 1, 2, 5, and hit D, C, B, A, and in this case is 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 1 is 9, 9, is 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 0, here is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, and 9 plus 3 is 12. In this case, if I want to move between B to C, is B to A. No, in this case that I think that is a positive. Between C and reach the B. 8 less 2. Okay, let me check. Why? What I need to change for get the same result like this direction. For example, for this, I can discover what is the distance or what is the cost to move the A to B, in this case is 3, or the other B is that this. We have two results. The minimum is 3. But for example, when I want to move between B to A, starting here, is that 3 to 8 is 12. Less 3, it's equal. Even I think that it's necessary or no. Well, in this case is 12 is 9. The cos is 9. Let me check. It's 1 plus 4 plus 3. It's equal 5 is 8. I think that maybe is less this, but well, and the final we have this number, but where is in the positive way. I am moving in this direction, and the result of this is, for example, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Oh, I think that I can do no, I can do the prefixum here. Is, for example, 1, 1, 2, 5, 6, 6, 7, 10, and starting here, for example, if I want to move between B to A, is here. To 8 is 5 less 2 plus 1. 5 less 2 is 3 plus 4. In this case, the size to move, no, this is wrong. Is B to 8 is 5 less 2, it's equal 3, less the current letter, in this case this. No. 5 less 3 less 2. 5 less 3 it's equal to less 2 it's equal to 0. Okay, maybe the formula is the prefix sum A less prefix sum B less the value A plus the value V. For example, prefix sum A in this case is 5, or the target in this case is the letter A. 5 less prefix sum B, that is the origin, that is 2, less value A, that in this case is 3, plus value B, that in this case is 1. This case is 5 less 2 it's equal 3, less 3 it's equal 0, plus 1 it's equal 1. The number between this and this is 1. Yeah, and now we can do that is correct. But what happened when I want to move between B and C? Okay, now is B to C. Okay, now using this table, B to C is starting here, and C, what is C? C is 6 less 2 less C, what is the cos of C? Is 0 plus B, what is the cos of B? Is 1. 6 less 4 less 2 it's equal 4, less 0 it's equal 4, plus 1 it's equal 5. Let me check if we have the correct sum. Starting here and moving this direction is the cos is 1. Now we are here to move to D is 3. Now we are here to move to the next is 1. Yeah, the total is 5. I think that is correct. And now okay, now here the first point is that fill this arrays. In this case this is wrong. This should be 51 because it's the index. Yeah, and do this operation. Now it's done. Now here yeah, I think that it's only that. Because in this case start in this position and do the operation until reach the 25 index, and now here continue. Oh, sorry, it's here. This should be continue here. Rotation. No, but in this case is less 25, I think, because previous codes only have 26 slots, and right now here we have 21. Yeah, I think that is 26 or 20, 25 or 26. Okay, now here is continue left right, and now this is correct the index. Okay, now we have completely filled all the both arrays. The only difference is that in this case for reach between this and reach in this direction is in essential yeah, moving in this, starting in the beginning and reach the letter here, and in this case is the same, move to this direction. I think that okay, I will continue with this. Here we have a completely field. Now is get means, and this get means try to figure out this distance. I will do first with brute force or trying to transversal the array. Yeah, this is because I want to discover if this works. Yeah, and in the next iteration improve this with this formula, with this calculus. But right now I want to transversal. Yeah, in this case, for example, in the right direction, I need to while no, it's with a 4. With a 4, integer I, it's equal number 1. means that, for example, if the letter is C, is starting this position, yeah. While I it's minor, then no is rotation next coast I plus plus, yeah. In this case, for example, if we are in the C and we want to move in the right direction until reach, sorry, D, and we want to reach the letter V, in the moment that appear the first, in this case, for example, need to come back to the beginning, yeah. In this moment, I can to break this for calculus the minimum and stop this 4. Let me explain you. In this case is if no, but it don't make sense to do the loops. I was trying to avoid problems with this, but don't make sense because I know the what is the letter. In this case is integer, no, rotation is rotation next coast, yeah, in the position first is discover this case. No, first is when I want to move A to B, yeah. Basically this is for know if I need to start, for example, in the position 25 or start in the position 0, yeah. And for example, if A it's minor that B, no. No, yeah. If A it's minor than B, means that the letter A is before B. Yeah, in this moment we are sure that we can start in the index 0. And in this moment is rotation next coast in the position B. Now is A. What is the calculus here? For example, for move to B to C is C 7 less 3 is 4. B to C, the size is only 1. In this case, for example, is 7 less 3 is 4 less the current letter. Okay. Is C less B. C less B. C less B less the next coast. In the letter my mind C here. With this I can discover this is the formula. It's equal mat dot mean between mean and this where is different, where and now the case is, for example, when C and I want to reach the sorry, D, and I want to reach the letter B. Means that we need to come back at the beginning. In this moment, here is that okay, in this case is starting in the letter B. No, in this case is letter B plus 25. Yeah, because we are, for example, we want to reach the B, but the no, it's not this B, is this B. In this case is 13 less the first position, this, less cos of B. I think that is only that. And we have another I think that we can use the same, but well, only for divide and for have more clarity, I do two statements. In here, the first is with the right direction, and the next that is with the left direction. Okay. Yeah, now here is that we need to remember that with the left direction we start here in the final and come back to this. In this case, for example, where for example ABCD, 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 and we are starting here. And for example, where I want to move A to, no, this is a bad example, C to A, is asked if get me in this case this is the S T. Oh my gosh. Left direction. I want to transform the letter A to the letter C. Letter C in this case is if A is minor than B. The first is the S and I want to transform to B. In this case where A is greater to B. And for example, C want to transform to C to A is I need to start to the final is rotation prep ghost, but here is the letter letter A. I want to transform C to A. Okay, in this case C is the letter A because at the beginning in the function we have this order. This is the origin and this is the target. This is the origin and this is the target. Now I know that the origin is before that and target. The origin is before that the target means that I need to start in the target, that is A, plus 25. No, here is 26. What is the formula? Position A, that is the target, less position. Position A less position B less value A less now is let's A in the position target is B n plus A. Mean it's equal math.mean between mean and this. Now else I think that is the same, well, similar, not the same. And here is where the origin is before the target. Yeah, in this case, for example, where I want to move C to D to B, for example. No, B to D is B, A, 0, Y, blah, 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 blah. In this case, the only difference is that the rotate prep is less this. And this is the original, this is okay. No, this is wrong. Rotation prep goes is A, this is B. In this case is B. Rotation prep goes in the A, it is okay. Less this plus this. And here is return mean. is chart. Chart is chart, not chart. Here is the same chart. Okay, I think that is 26. Previous cost 26. Here is not 26, it's 25 because it's an index. Next cost. Yeah, sure, because I am in this case is no, in this case is okay this, but this is less 25. It's the same here. Dios. Yeah, sorry, I forget that I am using this. Yeah, okay, the letter B I need to change to number 2. No, let me change this for origin target. The origin is the letter A. Letter A. Here is here. And here is the same. Letter A. Letter A. Letter A. Letter A. Letter A. And now is the target. The target is this. Target. 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 What? What is this error? I think that is maybe for the long. long. Ah, this should be max because we are searching the mean. Okay, wow, no, it's completely wrong. This less 100. What less 100? 400. Origin and target. Origin and target. Why 100? 400. And why is negative? Less 4. I think that is for the negative. Okay, let me comment this. Oh. Less 100. Why? What 100? Okay, means that is this. Why? I don't understand why. Okay, I will check the answer because I really don't know why it's appeared this, but I spent too much time trying to figure out. Prefixum, the prefixum. Well, we are in the similar direction. Let me change to Java. 26, 26. Codes for the next and previous. We have two cases. Okay, I think that we are in the right direction, but okay, let me check. Where we are in the right direction and the origin is before the target, means that the letter A is before B and we need to only reach the target. For example, the letter A in the next goes less the target less this less next goes local in target. For example, the letter B less letter A less the value of letter B. And now here validate the origin is before the the target but starting to the final. For example, if the origin is B, no, the origin is A and the target is B, means that I need to move to the Sierra yeah, I'm sure that I am wrong here. But well, I will continue checking in the next session, but thanks for following this transmission, and I hope see you in the next. Bye bye.